Hello and welcome students. Today we're going to do the first independent project of Microsoft Access. It is from the SIMnet assignment, Access 2021 in Practice, Chapter 1, Independent Project 1-4. Before starting, make sure that you have downloaded this support file, physician data file, and also make sure that you have this start file. Okay. So after that, we are going to start this assignment. And one more thing, that if you want me to do this assignment, you can send your files over the WhatsApp, which is shown at the top corner, or you can email me your files and I will complete the assignment for you and send it back to you. And it's very economical service in terms of price, so you can text me around the clock. Let's get started with it. These are the skills which will be covered in this project, and these are the instructions. Let me zoom in. And after that, in between, there are some screenshots or sniffs of the project, how it will be looking after completing few of the steps. So let's get started with the first step, that is enable content security warning. Note, if a security risk message displays when opening the database, please do the following: navigate to where you have saved the file, select properties, unblock and apply it. Okay. Okay, moving to the next step, that is, okay, for this one, let me remind you, if you're finding it something difficult, you need to just right click the database file, go to the properties, and here you will find an unblock, like something like this you will be shown. You have to unblock it and click OK. That's it. Now the file will be renamed automatically to include your name. Change the project file if directed so by the instructor. Okay, so we are not accepted, so you do not need to do anything with those steps. Moving to step number 2, that is edit the default primary key and add new fields into the table. Open table 1. So as you open it, you have to open this table 1 and change the ID field name to doctor's ID. So I'm just copying it, doctor's ID. Keep this field as an auto number data type. Okay. So when you click here, go to the table fields, it is already auto number data type, so we do not need to change it. That's done. Moving next, enter the remaining fields into the table using the information in table 1-16. After you enter the last name field, move in data, press the down arrow key to move to the first column to append rows. So this one is the last name, is the shortcut. I'm just trying to copy it and click here, short text, and name this one. Next again is the first name, copy, and again it is the short text data type, and that's it. And this one is also the short text, office number, so that's also. And this one is the short text also, so again copy and paste. This one is a date and time, and the field name is move-in date, so it should be date and time, and that's it. Save the table as physicians, so again copy it and right click here, save it. You can rename it if that's not appeared. So you can see it's a physician table. You can see doctor's ID, all those have been entered successfully. Edit the field properties of the physician table using the information in table 1-17. Again, I would like you to open it in design view this time. Now it says the field name is doctor ID. The caption should be doctor ID, this one. So this is the doctor ID. Click here, and here you will find the caption of this field. So put that in this way. Now come to the last name. In the last name, it says the caption should be last name. Okay, for this size is not applicable, but for this one, the caption should be last name and field size should be 25. So the last name, the caption should be last name, this one, like without there is a space between, and this should be field size should be 25 rather than 225, 255. For the first name, the caption should be first name and the field size should be 20. So move ahead to the first name. Here is the caption of this and the field size to 20. Moving next, it says office and the caption should be office and the field size is 3. Meanwhile, let me remind you, if you are finding it difficult or if you do not have the time, because it will take time, so you can text me on the WhatsApp. You can also email me for your assignment. Just send your assignment over there and I will complete the assignment and send it back to you, then you can submit it. Moving next, that is primary specialty, that is, and this one is specialty. The caption is specialty and the field size is 30. Moving time is tenant since, and that is not applicable. That's it. Save the table after updating the properties. So just save it. That's it. Now it says enter the data shown in table 1-18 into the physician table. Remember that the data ID field is automatically entered by access. So the first one is Agrawal Ashish. So to enter the data, this is the design view of the table. You have to switch to the datasheet view. And here the data ID, you will leave this because Excel will automatically insert it. Access will automatically insert as you enter the first last name. You can see it as 1. And Ashish is the second name. And 101 is the office ID. And patriotics is the specialty. And tenant since 2/15/2018. So you can type as 2/15/2018. So in this way you have to enter those. I will catch up you. Okay, let's do it. I'm making a bit faster so that you can do it easily. Moving to the last one. Make sure to correctly enter the data. That's it. Save and close the physician table. So make sure to save it and then close it. So you can see we have just created a physician table first. First, we drew a structure of it, and after that we added the properties of the table, that how long a field should be, and after that we enter the data. So that was all about in the table that we created. Moving to step number 7, that is import the remaining data records from Excel into physician table. So first we have to append those Excel file that I already told you in the beginning of the video. So for this we need to go to the external data source, and here you have to click on Excel, and from here you have to navigate to the file where you have placed. In this case I have placed it, you can see this file, physician data file. Open. Now you must be showing three kind of option. If you want to import that table into as a new table, you have to select this, but in our case we have to append that table into already created as a physician table. So click next, finish. It says move in file field, move in date does not exist in the destination table physician. So first of all, let's check if that is really the case. No, that's not the case. Move in date. Let's try to copy it again. Move in date. Again, click here, navigate to the file. That's it. Sometimes when you copy like from this, it creates problems. So you must be, it's a best practice to type it rather than what you can say copy. Okay, so that was the error because it was not getting the text correctly. Okay, so you have to type it that field. That's why the error occurred. Now it says open the physician table in datasheet view. Your table should contain 16 records. So earlier we just put in 4 records. Now we must be opening. You can see we have 16 records because those records have been appended to this table below. Now it says change the layout of the physician table. Change the font size to 12. So go to the home tab, open this, and font size should be 12. You can see all the font size have been increased. Use AutoFit to increase the width of this specialty field. So just double click this one and AutoFit to increase the column width of tenant since field. This is the tenant since field. We did not included the, I think this was the caption which was needed to be placed, but we didn't. Yeah. So now the tenant since, you can see, that's it, we have increased. Now center line the doctor ID, office, and tenant since. Doctor ID, office, press the control key. Okay, doctor ID, center line, office center, and tenant since center. It means all the numerical values are centered. This one is already inserted. Change the alternate color row to blue accent 1 lighter 60. So we have an option right here. If you click here, alternate color, it was blue accent 1 lighter 60. So it is blue accent 1, lighter 60. Now you see the alternate row colors. Now says so save the changes to the layout. So just save the changes to the layout. Sort the physician table in ascending order by a specialty field. So this one is the specialty. Click here and sort it in ascending. Yes, ascending order. It will be A to Z. So it has been ascended. Remove the sort criteria. So you can remove the sort criteria as well. Okay. You just click here, remove sort. That's it. It will be back. So I think that's it for this video and this assignment, because it will be long enough if I continue again. If you want me to complete that assignment for you, or if you want me to complete that course of SIMnet including Excel, Access, Word, PowerPoint, Business Analytics or Finance related projects, do text me on the WhatsApp. You can also email me. So see you in the next video. Do subscribe to my channel. Till then, take care.